Hello everyone, welcome to alltechqueries, a YouTube channel where you'll find solutions for all your technical queries. So today's our topic is how to change date format in Google Sheets. So Google Sheets have been a great alternative for MS Excel, and people have been using Google Docs, Google Sheets and Google Slides instead of MS products because they are easy to use and they are also free to use. However, while using these Google products, there are some settings some users are unable to find, and one of those settings is changing the date format. So several people have been asking me how to change the date format in Google Sheets. So some people like to use date format like this, some people like to use a date format like this, some people like to use the date format and the day of the week. So let me show you how it's done. Okay, so before we start our video, please like our video and subscribe to our channel alltechqueries. So let's begin. So here are some dates I have added. Now what you have to do, first you can select a single cell or you can select an entire column. So selecting an entire column is recommended. However, as this is a tutorial, I am going to select only a single cell and show you how it's done. Okay, now after selecting the column or cell, go to this format menu and hover over this number option and scroll down. You can see the option custom date and time. Click on it. Now here you will find several default presets here of dates. You can use any of these. Here are some presets, okay, like you can select any of these. There are also time formats and date formats both. Now if you want to choose a custom date format, so let me show you how it's done. Click here and let me delete here the default format. Now click on the drop down menu and select whatever elements you want to add. So first I am adding day, then I am going to add month, then I am going to add year. Okay, now there is a problem here. Now this will be combined together. So what you have to do is add separator here. So you can add any separator. You can add an hyphen, you can add a slash, you can add semicolon. So whichever seems useful for you, more convenient for you, you can add that. Okay, you can also add space between the hyphen and other elements. So click on apply here. Let me show you how it's seen. So this is how it looks. So I don't like the way it looks, so let me change it again. Go to format menu. Now go to this number menu. Now again go to this custom date and format, custom date and time format. So here what I am going to do is add one more thing, add day of the week. Now these two looks same here, but there is one more option here. So if you click on it, you get to choose some more things here, like you want to add 0 or not, the day lead without leading 0. So if you want to add a 0 or not, if you want to add the day of the week, or you want to just add the abbreviation of the day. So the best looking format is adding a 0, so it looks some more professional. And the month you can add, you can click on it to get more options, and you can add this 08, or you can add the full name of the month, you can add abbreviation, or you can just add first letter of the month. So whichever is more convenient for you, you can choose the option. Let me choose this option. Now the year, you can choose 2-digit year or full numeric year. So let me select full numeric year. Now here these two are same, but now what you can do is the second day you can choose as the day of the week, like Tuesday. And let me add a separator here, a different separator. I will add semicolon here. So use your cursors to navigate. Let me add a semicolon here. Okay, I think it is visible for you. Now click on apply, and here let me expand this so that you can see that full date. So this is the date format I want to keep in my sheet. So let me do something different for this one so that you can understand better. Clicking on format and going to number, and scroll down and find the date and time. So before that, let me also tell you this. These are some presets here. I mean, these are some history here. Okay, whatever you have saved previously, it's going to be here. So you can choose the previous format from here itself, or you can choose custom date and time. Now you can choose this one. After selecting this one, let me choose easy one. So okay, let's see this one. Okay, once you have selected this, if you like this format but you have to make some changes, so you can select this and make some changes here. Okay, you want to add full Augusta, just AUG, the abbreviation, you can add a 0 here. So you can do simple changes even after selecting the presets. So if you choose this one, you can change the date and time format a little bit here. So if you like this format but you want to make some changes, you can do it here. Okay, and you can add several things like hours, you can add minutes, you can add seconds, you can add AM PM, you can add durations. So there are several things you can add here. So whatever you like, if you like this format, then what you can do is simply use this option to create multiple cells here. Okay, using the same format. Now if they are not aligned properly, you can change the alignment. Okay, this one looks good, this one also looks good, but this looks better. So this is how you can change the date and time format in Google Sheets. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, then please like on the video and also subscribe to our channel All Tech Queries, and if you click the bell icon, you will be notified whenever we publish informative how-to videos or informative technical videos. So thank you for watching.